Hey guys, so today I have a pack of liquid chalk markers, and you heard that correctly, these are liquid chalk markers, which means they have like the look and feel of chalk, but the way that you write with them is just like a regular marker. And these are advertised to be non-toxic, and they even come with extra goodies like these peelable labels that are like a piece of the chalkboard. So these can be used on pretty much any smooth hard surface that's just non-porous. That way the actual liquid ink won't actually seep into the material that you're writing on. So for demonstration purposes, I have here the silver one. And with each marker, it comes with a reversible tip, which means you can actually remove the little tip of it. You can choose between the normal like marker ballpoint type tip, or you can reverse it around and you get the chiseled type, which can actually make some really cool handwriting artistic effects if you choose to go this way. So right out of the box, the actual tip has not been soaked in the actual chalk marker ink. So what you need to do is just press down on the tip a little bit, put the cap back on, shake it up and down vertically, and then afterwards just go ahead and try to write normally. You just need to press down on the first stroke so that the ink can actually goes to the tip, and then very soon you'll be writing. Writing with these markers is really smooth. You wouldn't think that you're writing with chalk, even though the appearance on the surface actually does kind of look like chalk, which I do appreciate. So this is something that you can really do really cool stuff for like artistic things. Like you put it on your bulletin board, that sort of thing. That's where I've seen liquid chalk really come into play these days. These are water-based, so technically these are supposed to be able to be wiped away pretty easily. It does come with a little included cloth, just for convenience, I guess, but I found that if you just wipe it with a dry cloth, it kind of smears on the surfaces. So then I went ahead and tried again with a dampened cloth, and that really did the trick. So you just need a little bit more water when you're wiping it off, at least with on these particular labels. Now let's also talk about what's the variation in markers and stuff that you get out of this package, since you're paying roughly $15 to $20 for this. As usual, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out if you guys are interested. But right out of the box, you get 12 different colored markers. You get the standard rainbow colors from red to purple and pink as well. And then you have the more neutral colors, so it includes like the metallic ones, silver and gold, which is a little bit different from yellow or orange. And you also have black, white, and brown. If I were to pick colors to put in a set, these would definitely be the ones I would pick. But the only thing I would also do is also label each one of them. Most of these are pretty obvious, but the difference between the gold and the yellow ones is a little bit more subtle. So I would have liked to see that each marker would be individually labeled with the actual color. And then you also get 40 plus of these stick-on chalk labels that you can easily wipe down and reuse anytime. So these are definitely really handy, and they come out with several different shapes, cutouts that you can play around with. So that's really cool. The only thing I'm not too sure about why they included is this white clamp thing. I'm not too sure. If anybody knows what to do with these, please let me know. But anyways, I think this is a pretty nice chalk marker set that you can get from Peaktop. The only concern I have is the fact that when I did wipe it down the first time with a dry cloth, it did leave a little bit of a smear. So this might not be great to leave on for a long period of time, and make sure to always use a little bit of solvent or water to remove this when you're done using them. But as a starter creative set, I think these are really nice by Peaktop. As usual, I'll put the product link in the description. As usual, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.